It started as a diabetes medication. Then, it transformed into a multi-billion-dollar weight loss revolution. But as millions of people began taking GLP-1 receptor agonists, like semaglutide, doctors noticed a strange, unexpected side effect. Patients weren't just losing their appetite for food, they were suddenly losing their urge to drink alcohol, smoke cigarettes, shop compulsively, and even bite their nails. What if the most famous weight loss drug in history isn't just targeting your stomach, but fundamentally rewiring your brain's reward system? To understand this phenomenon, we have to look inside the brain's mesolimbic dopamine pathway, the ancient survival circuit responsible for reward, motivation, and addiction. Whenever you eat high-calorie food, take a sip of alcohol, or engage in a pleasurable activity, a region called the ventral tegmental area, or VTA, releases a surge of dopamine into the nucleus accumbens. This creates a powerful signal that says, "That felt good, do it again." In addiction and compulsive disorders, this dopamine feedback loop becomes hyperactive, driving relentless cravings. For decades, we believed GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, was simply a gut hormone released by L cells in your intestines to signal fullness after a meal. But neuroscientists recently discovered something remarkable. GLP-1 receptors aren't just located in the digestive tract. They are densely packed inside the brain, specifically in the hypothalamus, the VTA, and the nucleus accumbens. Synthetic GLP-1 molecules are engineered to cross or bypass the blood-brain barrier, directly accessing these reward centers. When GLP-1 binds to receptors in the ventral tegmental area, it acts like a volume knob on the dopamine system. Instead of blocking dopamine completely, it dampens the exaggerated dopamine spikes caused by addictive substances and behaviors. In clinical trials and animal models, GLP-1 agonists dramatically reduced alcohol consumption, nicotine self-administration, and cocaine-seeking behavior. Patients describe this effect as the sudden silence of brain noise, the background obsession that drives compulsive impulses. The implications go far beyond addiction. Researchers have discovered that GLP-1 receptors also suppress microglial activation, the brain's immune cells responsible for neuroinflammation. Chronic neuroinflammation is a primary driver of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. By reducing inflammation and promoting synaptic plasticity, ongoing Phase 3 clinical trials are now investigating whether GLP-1 drugs could actually slow down cognitive decline. What began as a treatment for blood sugar regulation may prove to be one of the most versatile neurological therapies of our era. As science uncovers how metabolic pathways govern brain function, we are entering a new frontier where treating the body might finally heal the mind. If you enjoyed this deep dive into human physiology, subscribe to Visual Medical Science for more evidence-based journeys inside the human body.